So hello my dear students, today in this class we have discussed about the exercise number 2.3, okay, and this is question number 4. In last class we solved question number 1, 2 and 3. This is now we have to solve the question number 4. See here, in the given figure, okay, this is figure, QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by PR, means the two ratios are same, okay, the side of the two ratios are same, and the angle 1 and angle 2 are equals to each other. Now we have to prove that the angle PQS is here, the angle PQS, this is one triangle, and another one is PQR, PQ and R. This is another one triangle. Now we have to prove these two triangles are equal, similar. Okay. Next, see here. First we have to write the given data. Given data is QR divided by QS is equals to QT divided by PR. Okay. The one corresponding side ratio has to same here. Next, the angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay, now here to prove that, what we have to prove here? Triangle PQS is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so proof. Okay, right here proof. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is the given data. Okay, next, see here, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So therefore, the triangle PQR, okay, in a triangle, or you have to write here, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, which means in a triangle, see here, in a triangle PQR, if the two angles are equals to each other, that triangle we have to call as a isosceles triangle. Is it right? Isosceles triangle. So right here, and isosceles triangle having their two sides are equals to each other. Is it right? So the PQ side is equals to PR. PQ side is equals to PR. Is it right? PQ side is equals to PR. Right here, PQ is equals to PR. Triangle. Okay, this triangle. Next, see here now PQ is equal to PR. Is it right? So next, in triangle PQS and PQR. Okay, now we have to write their common elements. Okay, it is the common elements here. PQ and PQ are the common elements, so we have to write here PQ divided by PQ. Is it right? Is equals to QS divided by QR. QS divided by QR. Is it right? QS divided by QR. This is common things. Next, another one, angle P in a triangle PQS, the angle PQS is 1, and in a triangle PQR, the angle PQR is also 1. So that's why we have to write here PQS or R. Okay, PQS, triangle PQS is equals to TQR. Angle PQR equals to each other. Which means here common angle. Okay. Now see here, Already they given one side. Okay, the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Here also the second side, corresponding sides are in the same ratio, and third one is one angle is equals to each other. So here we can write triangle PQS is similar to PQR because side angle side criteria. Side angle side criteria. Is it right? So please note down this and now move towards the next question. Okay, question number 5. Okay, my dear students, the question number, okay, the example number 5 and question number 6. Okay, the question number 5 and question number 6. These two examples are similarly to the previous example. Okay, this question number 4 example. So these two examples you have to solve in natural home. Okay, so this is your homework. If you have any doubt in that question, you can ask me. Okay, you can ask me on our school WhatsApp group. Okay, so please practice and solve in your homework book. Next, now move towards the next question. The question number 7. Okay. See here, this is question number 7. In a figure, the altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P. Then now we have to prove that the triangle ADP is similar to triangle CDP. Okay, so take first here solution. First one is to prove that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Okay, CDP. Next, proof in triangle AEP and in triangle CDP. In triangle AEP and triangle CDP. See here, triangle AEP, which means here this is 1, 2 and 3. These are the 3 angles of this triangle. Next, triangle CDP. These are the 3 angles of this triangle. Now we have to find which angles are equals to each other in between these two triangles. See here, is P and here also P. The angles are vertically opposite. The vertically opposite angles are equals to each other. Is it right? So right here, the angle APE is equals to in the triangle CDP, CPD, angle CPD, angle APE is equals to angle CPD, and because the vertically opposite angles are equal. Next, see here the angle AEP, the angle E is 90 degree here, and here the angle D is 90 degree. Is it right? So right here the angle AEP is equals to angle PDC is equals to 90 degree. And you reason here PD is perpendicular to CB. Right, this is the perpendicular symbol. Next, PE is perpendicular to AB. Is that right? So see here, this is one angle and two angle. Okay. Next, last one angle is, see here, the angle APE, okay, triangle APE, and in the triangle CPD. Now have to prove this triangle and this angle and this angle you have to equals to each other, and the angle PP equals to each other. The remaining angle size, angle A and angle C. Okay, if the two angles are equals to each other, the corresponding two angles are equals to each other, the remaining one angle is also equals to each other. The corresponding angles are equals to each other. So therefore here the AA criteria, for AA criteria we can say that the triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Triangle CDP, is it right? Next, the second one, see here, the triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Okay, to prove that here, PPT, to prove that. Now here, write proof. In triangle ABD and triangle CBE, okay, CBE, see here, A, B, D and CBE, which means here A, B, D. Okay, this is one angle, this is second, and this is third. Okay, these are the three angles of A, B, D triangle. Next, another one triangle is C, B, okay, C, B and E. This is the three angles of that triangle. Okay. Next, now see here, B is the common angle among these two triangles. Is it right? So first take the angle B in ABD. ABD, angle ABD is equals to angle CBE. Angle CBE. Okay, the due reason the angle is common angles are equals to each other. Next, now see here, angle A and angle D is remaining here, and here also angle C and angle E is remaining. So now see here, angle D and angle E is angle D and angle E is 90 degree. Here also angle E and angle D is 90 degree. Why 90 degree? See here, angle ABD. Okay, ABD. So B is here, angle A and angle D is remaining here. Now CBE, so now we have to write the angle B and angle E is equals to each other. So angle ADB is equals to angle CEB. Angle CEB is equals to 90 degree. Why 90 degree? Because the reason here CE is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to CB. Okay, these reason we have to write it. Okay, the two angles are equals to each other. The remaining one corresponding angle is equals to each other. So by AA criteria, we can say that the triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Okay. Next, the remaining third and fourth. The remaining third and fourth triangles are also similar to each other, and these two triangles are also proved by using a criteria. Okay. These two triangles are similar. You have to prove in at your home. Okay. This is your home. Okay. It is also same. Okay. It is also similar to these two solutions. So that's why I told you. Okay. You can prove these two similarity of triangles. Okay. So you have to write these two solutions, and the remaining two you have to solve in your homework book. Okay. I hope you understood these solutions, and I hope you can solve these two solutions. Okay. So now we shall start here. In the next class, we discuss about the more examples, the same exercise 2.3. Okay. Thank you.